Can't tell a friend from enemy as I ride from show to show, with no plan on how I'll go. Go ahead and tell them in the north I won't be home for quite a while now. Yeah, the road now calls me son. No, I'm not its only one. Won't someone tell me straight? Can someone say to my face what lies ahead on down the line for a soul like mine? One day my hair will turn to gray and my face will show my age. Well, things settle down for me. Will I still be wild and free? Still be rolling down the line, pushing towards neon signs with bad sound in small stages with no end in sight. Won't someone tell me straight? Can't someone say to my face what lies ahead on down the line for a soul like mine? Will I always miss the road? Will I dream of it in fear? Had it take me in the night and I might just disappear? Won't someone tell me straight? Can't someone say to my face what lies ahead on down the line for a soul like mine? For a soul like mine.